Ladies and gentlemen, the Walt Disney Company and the Magic Kingdom Club invite you to be our...
One moment, Mademoiselle Narrator.
Lumiere?
Allow me to shed a little light on the subject.
Why, thank you, Lumiere.
That's better. Esteemed mademoiselles and messieurs, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you here today. And now, we invite you to relax, pull up a chair, as the Magic Kingdom Club proudly presents Update 93.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
Sing, we can dance after all. This is fun.
And the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We our guest, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese soufflé, pie and pudding en flambé. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret.
You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared.
No one's gloomy or complaining while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks.
And it's all in perfect taste that you can bet.
Come on and lift your glass, you bring your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest.
With the opening of the Euro Disney Resort in April of 1992, there are now 4 Disney destinations spanning the globe.
That's right.
And each one invites Magic Kingdom Club members to be our guest with special benefits and discounts. There's Disneyland Resort in California,
Where it all began.
Walt Disney World Resort in Florida,
Where the dream continued.
Tokyo Disneyland in Japan,
Disney crossed the sea.
and Euro Disney Resort in France.
Mon ami, home sweet home.
With Magic Kingdom Club benefits and services available worldwide,
The sun never sets on all the Disney fun, Jerry.
wherever you go, don't forget your club membership card. Remember, club members receive special savings at every Disney theme park. What better way to celebrate this special year, the 35th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom Club?
Goodness gracious, where do we start?
How about the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida?
Sherry, be my guest.
Hooray for Hollywood at the Disney Studios in Florida.
Where your favorite stars come out to play.
There's Indiana Jones,
Beauty and the Beast. Voila!
The Little Mermaid,
And the Muppets in Jim Henson's Muppet Vision 3D.
Making his debut this year is the star of Disney's newest animated feature, Aladdin.
That lamp looks familiar.
Ah, friend of yours?
Just an old flame.
And at night, during the summer and holidays, Mickey takes center stage reprising his role as the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Sorcery in the Sky. Next stop, the Magic Kingdom Park, a world of fun and fantasy for the young and the young at heart. It's also the newest home of Splash Mountain, Come along with Brer Rabbit, Brer Bear, and Brer Fox for a zippity-doo-dah good time through the Song of the South. But watch out for that last drop.
That's right, 5 stories high, straight down.
Here in the Magic Kingdom, when the sun goes down during summer and holidays, the lights come up in a dazzling nighttime spectacle called Spectro Magic.
Welcome to Epcot Center.
Featuring the world of tomorrow in Future World.
Wait, slow down. I don't want the future to pass me by.
And a Brotherhood of Nations in World Showcase.
Bonsoir, ladies. Ho, ho, ho. Welcome to my home. Sacre bleu! What was that?
Don't be frightened, Lumiere. It's Illuminations. So, did you like the show?
But of course, especially my uncle.
Your uncle?
He's the windmill on the top.
Of course, the best way to see the Walt Disney World theme parks is a multi-day passport. One price gives you admission to the Disney Studios, the Magic Kingdom Park, and Epcot Center, because you'll need at least 4 days to see it all. And while you visit the theme parks, we'd love for you to be our guest at a Walt Disney World resort. Club members can save 10 to 30% off select resort accommodations, or choose from a variety of vacation packages in all price ranges.
I can feel my troubles melting away.
There's a Disney accommodation right in the middle of all the magic for every taste and budget. Just look.
Be our guest.
Be our guest. Be our guest.
Be our guest.
Be our guest.
Be our guest.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
Be our guest.
And you know what else is really great about staying at a Walt Disney World resort?
I don't know. Please enlighten me.
Well, Lumiere, every resort guest is entitled to complimentary transportation throughout the Walt Disney World Resort, as well as early admission to the Magic Kingdom Park 1 full hour before it's open to the general public. And new for 1993, we present the Be Our Guest Passport, a special resort guest ticket that entitles guests to unlimited admission to all 3 theme parks, plus River Country, Discovery Island, Pleasure Island, and Typhoon Lagoon from the day you check in until the day you check out.
I like that.
No visit to Walt Disney World could be complete without taking the plunge at Typhoon Lagoon or River Country.
It looks like fun, but it could put a real damper on me.
For peace and quiet, it's hard to beat Discovery Island. Come see all new exhibits of rare tropical island birds and the tiniest antelopes in the world. But for fun and excitement after dark, nothing quite holds a candle to Pleasure Island. Lumiere, the theme parks all day and now Pleasure Island all night?
Oui, mademoiselle narrator. You might say I've found the perfect way to burn the candle at both ends.
Golf fans are sure to enjoy all 5 championship golf courses where club members receive special seasonal savings. Do you like golf, Lumiere?
Very much. In fact, I'm working on a date with that 7-iron.
And close at hand is great shopping at the Disney Village Marketplace. The Disney travel professionals at the Magic Kingdom Club Travel Center can provide all the information you need about Disney destinations. They can handle every detail, from hotel accommodations to airline reservations to rental cars.
Is it even possible to book a trip all the way to the Euro Disney Resort in France?
Sure, Lumiere. Be our guest.
Magnifique! Who says you can't go home again? Ho, ho, ho.
Here, just 20 miles east of Paris, is 5,000 acres of pure Disney fun. The Euro Disneyland theme park with its 5 themed lands. 29 adventures and attractions. And a fairy tale castle come true. Plus, 6 distinctively different resort hotels. Best of all, you'll find your Magic Kingdom Club travel and leisure benefits extended this side of the world too, with special club member rates and packages, rental cars, the works. Meanwhile, on the other side of the globe, Magic Kingdom Club members can use their club card to enjoy special benefits and savings at Tokyo Disneyland. And back home, the Magic Kingdom Club membership card helps members save money all over the United States and Canada. Save 10% off Delta Airlines round-trip coach flights to both Orlando International Airport and the 5 Los Angeles area airports. And up to 30% off National Interrent business rates at most locations nationwide. National features GM cars like this Pontiac Sunbird.
Ho, ho! Nice wax job!
Save 10% on merchandise at the Disney stores nationwide. And brand new for $19.93, club members will also save 10% on merchandise purchases from the Disney catalog. By special arrangement with the entertainment publications Travel America at Half Price program, club members can enjoy a 50% savings on accommodations at over 1,800 hotels and motels across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. Membership in the Magic Kingdom Club also means savings on all kinds of travel and leisure vacations. Save 10% aboard the Big Red Boat with Premier Cruise Lines, combining a cruise to the Bahamas or the beautiful Abacos Out Islands, and a vacation at the Walt Disney World Resort. Club members can set course for cruises on Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines for 7 or more nights, or see the West Coast in style aboard Norwegian Cruise Lines. And speaking of the West Coast, club members can get great savings on trips to San Diego. Or even a trip to the Old West, Paradise Guest Ranch in Wyoming. For complete details on all Magic Kingdom Club benefits and services, be sure to check the 1993 Magic Kingdom Club Membership Guide. Thank you for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. We hope you've enjoyed our show and will be our guest soon.
Wait, wait! Stop the music! Stop the music! We almost forgot about the original.
The original?
Of course, the Disneyland Resort in California.
Okay, let's start our visit by checking into the newly refurbished Disneyland Hotel, featuring new entertainment and surprises around every corner. There's new restaurants, a new health club, and say hello to the Neon Cactus, a brand new country and western dance palace.
Hello, make that howdy, partner.
With the Magic Kingdom Club membership card, guests can save 15% on nightly reservations at this world-famous resort.
Be our guest.
In fact, club members who book a club vacation package at the Disneyland Hotel will also receive a length of stay passport to Disneyland. This passport means guests can go to Disneyland from the day they check into the hotel until the day they check out for up to 5 days. Club members can also choose from several vacation packages in 30 other quality hotels and motels in all price ranges. And all Disneyland Club vacation plans include the Magic Morning feature. Admission to Disneyland Park 1 full hour before it's open to the general public.
Come on, everybody, let's go to Disneyland. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Disneyland has more than 55 adventures and attractions with favorites like the Pirates of the Caribbean,
Space Mountain,
and Star Tours. And for the first time in 20 years, a whole new land will be added to Disneyland in 1993, Mickey's Toontown. Covering nearly 3 acres just outside of Fantasyland, Mickey's Toontown is the permanent home of Mickey Mouse and all his cartoon friends, including the lovable Roger Rabbit.
Sounds like a community with character.
You can say that again. From downtown to the suburbs, Mickey's Toontown is a 3-dimensional cartoon lover's dream come true. Meanwhile, just around the corner, there's the beauty...
S'il vous plaît, mademoiselle, I shall take it from here. Just around the corner at Videopolis is my personal favorite, Beauty and the Beast live on stage. Oh no, that's my cue.
Come on and lift your glass. You've won your own free pass to be our guest.
If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
And when Disneyland is open in the evening during summer and weekends, the night ignites with the ultimate battle of good and evil. Phantasmic.
Some imagination, huh?
Well, Lumiere, that about covers it for Update 93. Is there anything else you'd like to say to our Magic Kingdom Club members?
Just one more thing.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Our command is your request. It's 10 years since we've had anybody here, and we're obsessed with your meal, with your ease. Yes, indeed, we're too pleased. While the candlelight's still glowing, let us tell you we'll keep going towards fireworks, one by one, till you shout, "Get out, I'm done!" Then we'll sing you off to sleep as you digest. Tonight you'll prop your feet up, but for now let's eat up. Be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest. Please be our
For complete details on all club benefits and more Disney excitement, be sure to check the 1993 Magic Kingdom Club Membership Guide.
Au revoir. See you soon.